Hoot hoot! Welcome to the Advanced Owwll tutorial. Ready to elevate your Owwll experience and unlock the full potential of the app? Let's dive in and discover the pro tips and features that will take your connections to the next level. People do business with those they like, know, and trust. So your first step is to create an outstanding profile for yourself. Include a nice banner image, profile picture, and title. Next, list networking and collaboration opportunities, common questions people ask you, and add some personalized videos. Users who provide a more detailed bio receive 3 times as many calls and business opportunities. In the top right of your profile, you'll find an option to copy your profile link. Those who receive the most calls often share this link on social media and via messages. You can also take a screenshot of your profile and post it with your profile link to engage your current audience. Don't forget to include your referral code to earn Owwll bonus funds. Additionally, our top performers respond to many incoming social media messages by letting people know their intro calls are conducted via Owwll App and providing download links with their referral code. You can find examples of message scripts in our Owwll Facebook community group. To maximize your opportunities, consider upgrading to a premium account. This unlocks the ability to set your own price, become listed in more expertise categories, list additional social connections, and make withdrawals. It's $10 a month, but you receive a $10 credit, effectively making it free if you plan to spend over $10 on calls. For many, price influences the volume of calls received. To attract more calls and seize more opportunities, keep your price low. Increasing your price can reduce call volume, which may benefit some professionals by filtering to ensure they make the best use of their time per call. However, experts with higher prices often attract traffic from outside Owwll. We recommend experimenting with different price levels to achieve your desired call volume. The most successful users often have a higher ratio of outbound to inbound calls. By making more outbound calls, you create opportunities faster and control the number of completed calls. Additionally, you boost your number of reviews, which you can repurpose by taking a screenshot and sharing it on social media. Reviews also serve as a call log, allowing you to revisit and contact your previous connections in the future. The more people know you, the more introductions you'll receive on our Community Connection Hub. Here, you can post about who you want to connect with, and the community will tag recommended individuals. Each time you introduce someone, you'll earn 1 point on your profile for fostering valuable connections. Looking for someone or something specific? Typing any word into the search bar will match keywords listed in the bio section of profiles. Use this search feature to find specific experts or like-minded individuals, making each connection more valuable and generating more leads or collaboration opportunities for your business. Filter by rating price, calls taken, specific expertise or groups. Follow people who you want to speak with in the future, and you'll be alerted when they're available via text or notification. The more people you follow, the greater your chances of hosting a conversation with them first, thanks to our instant notification system. You can also request that they make themselves available even when they're not online, as most people have text message alerts enabled for these requests. Pro tip: on the home screen, we feature the new Owwll category, showcasing users who joined in the last 30 days. Click View All and filter by calls taken from low to high and follow new members. New users usually charge $1, so calling and welcoming them to the platform can boost your success rate. After speaking with someone, you may not want to receive notifications every time they become available for calls. We recommend either unfollowing them or clicking the bell icon under the follow button on their profile to set notifications to follow without notifications. This allows you to still follow them for tracking purposes. You can use the My Owwlls filter in the search to see a list of people you've spoken to or want to connect with. We hope you enjoyed this advanced tutorial. Be sure to check out our FAQs in the menu and follow us on socials at Owwll App for more pro tips. Use Owwll to create endless opportunities, whether it's finding new leads, expanding your network, collaborations, or accessing industry leaders.